Okay, guys, I'm going to do week 15 roots. I'm going to give you the 5 roots, the meaning, and one example of each. You should, on your own, find another example and be able to define it. The first root is amphi. Amphi means round or both. Okay, an example is amphibian. Oops. And an amphibian, amphibian is an animal that lives both on land and in water. Oops. Another example, a quick hint, is an amphitheater, if you want to look up what that means. Our second root is cacao. Cacao means bad. An example that I'm going to give you is a cacophony. And you might have heard that word before when you say there's a cacophony. It means like a sound that is not very pleasant. So we will say a bad sound. Okay, the third root is a dilemma. Oh, sorry. I'll give you the word. The root is die. D-I. And die means two. We have done, it also means double. We have done by, which also means two. Remember, we're doing both Greek and Latin, so sometimes they are similar but different. So die means two, and an example is dilemma. And a dilemma is a difficult decision between two choices. So you might have heard that word before. You know, what's your dilemma? What are you debating between? What are the two choices that you have to make a decision about? The next root is lexis. Lexis means word. I'm going to give you the word Alexia. And if you remember the A was another root that we had, which meant not or without. And Alexia means the inability to perceive written words. Perceive means to understand. Okay. You might come up on your own with dyslexia, dyslexic, any of those words. We know dyslexia from our Percy Jackson reading, hopefully. And our last and final root for this week is loc, which means place. You should be able to come up with a bunch. For this one, I'm going to give you relocate. Re meaning again is another root, and it means move from place to place. Okay. Again, see if you can come up with a list, generate your own derivatives from these roots, and I will see you later.